this video, we're diving into Delenta Insights, your ultimate analytics powerhouse designed to monitor organization health, track performance, and prove the tangible impact of your coaching programs. Let's look at how you can transform raw data into actionable growth. When you first step into Delenta Insights, you get an immediate bird's eye view of your entire organization's health. Right from the main dashboard, you can track high-level metrics across all accounts, including total active participants, completion rates, overall attendance rates, and a breakdown of delivered versus undelivered sessions. The system also maps out participation over time and overall program status, giving you instant clarity on your business trajectory and automatically highlighting any at-risk clients who need immediate attention. Ready to look closer? Delenta Insights allows you to seamlessly drill down from macro data to granular details. You can filter metrics by a specific program level, individual coach level, or right down to a client report. Keep a close eye on real-time client activity to monitor completed, upcoming, or overdue sessions. With the comprehensive client status report, you can instantly see who is falling off track. Check individual attendance records and compare total scheduled sessions against actual sessions attended. For those working in corporate and business-to-business coaching spaces, the HR dashboard or program impact tools are absolute game changers. This dedicated arena is built specifically to showcase your program's return on investment. Here, you can pull analytics on completion and engagement rates across specific corporate accounts, individual cohorts, or assigned coaches. You have full control over how this data is displayed, and when you're ready to present to stakeholders, you can seamlessly export the visual dashboard as a polished PDF or PNG report to share directly with your corporate clients. For deep dive internal auditing, the Team Reports section consolidates everything you need to know about your operations. Access specialized data modules for coaching activities, sales pipelines, contact metrics, client goal progress, billable hours, overall account summaries, and course engagement. Finding exactly what you need is effortless. You can review your data based on coach, client company, specific package, or session type, whether that's a free discovery call, a paid session, or an ad hoc appointment. Simply set your custom date range, use the column manager to display only the data points you care about, and export the file to manipulate the insights further. And that is it. Delenta Insights takes the guesswork out of your operations. It is the smartest way to gather data, prove your organizational impact, and unlock sustainable growth for your coaching business. Start exploring your insights today.